Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Today is Wednesday, 16th of April. Birthday ni April ngayon. Blessed happy birthday to you. Shout out kay April Ramirez. And the weather for today is about 9 degrees and it is windy today. So, ayun. Wow, ayun yung buwan. That is the buwan is there. Before it's in here. Now it's there. Kasi papalubog na. Dahil mag-aaraw na mamaya. Ayan lang everyone. Talagang ang tummy ko ay may problema. So, let's us do the 15 minutes walk and one bus everyone before I leave the house. I left the house I chinek up ko muna si nanay at pinapatay ng ilaw sa kwarto kasi maya lang is darating naman ang kuya ko, yung kanyang caregiver. So that's it at the moment. Malamig dito gawa ng hangin. It's windy today. Although the temperature is 9. Yeah, ciao and see you when I see you everyone. Yan, good morning everyone. Malakas pala ang hangin. Oh, nabara yung other side. Grabe, di ba? So, dito muna tayo. Kaya, ganyan lang ang buhay. Pabago-bago ang weather. Weather life, everyone. Ang ano ko, OOTD. Winter again. Ang attire is for winter again. Ang weather dito sa UK. That's it at the moment. Nagalit ang ating supervisor. Good morning everyone. Kain tayo. Ayun. Good morning. Good morning. Going home everyone. Dumaan ako sa Mia. May something na makakain ngayong weekend. Thank you, driver. Oops. Going home, everyone. Lakad tayo after ng bus. Medyo mahangin. Sobra malakas ang hangin, everyone. So, kita nyo, diba? Malakas, no? Kaya, aglamig na naman dito sa UK. Diyan ako naglalakad pag umaga. papasok. So ngayon naman ay pauwi tayo. Yeah, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. 15:14. Time check. Pasok tayo sa mahanging. Today is windy. Windy pa rin po, kaya malamig because of hangin. Yan ang kita nyo, mga magagalaw ang halaman. So, ayan lang everyone. See you later. See you later. See you when I see you, everyone. Punta tayo sa kabilang dako ng London. Nearly at London Bridge. Bye at the moment. My first train, everyone.
For the safety of all of our customers, please remember that smoking is not allowed on any underground station.
We went to the ship, wasn't it? That was one.
Nearly at job site, everyone. So, 1 minute is as long as you are not hurry up.
Dahil nag-asawa na yung mga ay, pero meron pa siyang buso. Hindi pa tapos yata.
No, gagraduate
Si
na.
Mariel.
Graduate na ngayon.
Graduate.
Ayan, time check. Alas 8. Menos 5. Ay, menos 5 ya. Para alas 8. Uwian na. Uwian na tayo. Kasi ako dito. Dito ako dadaan sa may traffic lights. Daanan ng, ayan na. Sa may Shell. Sa daanan ng 98, everyone. Kasi nag-cover up ako doon sa work ng pamangkin ko. Kaya dito muna tayo. Ayan, makita niyo yung bus dumarating. See you winter. Always nag-in ako doon ay 7:30. Yeah. Okay, see you when I see you. Merong church ng yan. Temple. Marami ditong temple. Kaya, bye at the moment, everyone. Eating dinner, everyone, while joining the Wednesday Bible study. Good night, God bless, and I love you all.